Can using rubbing alcohol to remove fingerprints also damage the surface?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to talk about a very interesting topic. Can using rubbing alcohol to remove fingerprints also damage the surface it's used on? We all know that rubbing alcohol is a powerful cleaning agent, but it's important to know how it may interact with different surfaces. In this video, we will answer this question, giving you a clear understanding of when and where you can use rubbing alcohol to remove those pesky fingerprints. Remember, it's always important to use cleaning agents responsibly and understand their potential effects.
What is rubbing alcohol?
Before we dive into the main topic, let's talk a bit about rubbing alcohol. It is a solution of isopropyl alcohol and water. The concentration of isopropyl alcohol generally varies, but it's usually around 70%. Rubbing alcohol is known for its antiseptic properties and its effectiveness in removing oils, including the oils left behind by our fingers.
Can rubbing alcohol damage surfaces?
Now, onto the heart of the matter. Yes, rubbing alcohol can potentially damage certain surfaces. It is especially true for surfaces like plastic, acrylic, certain types of wood, leather, and painted surfaces. That's because rubbing alcohol can dissolve or degrade these materials over time, especially if used repeatedly. Also, be careful with electronic devices. While rubbing alcohol can be used to clean the exterior of the devices and even some internal parts, but only by professionals, it can also damage the screen coatings of smartphones, tablets, and other devices if not used carefully.
Safe usage of rubbing alcohol for cleaning.
So, how can you safely use rubbing alcohol for cleaning fingerprints? The key is to use it sparingly and only on appropriate surfaces. Glass, metal, and ceramic surfaces can typically handle rubbing alcohol without any damage. Also, it's important to let the surface dry naturally after cleaning, as this will minimize potential harm. A good practice is to always test a small, inconspicuous area first before using rubbing alcohol for cleaning. This way, you can ensure that it won't cause any visible damage. To sum up, rubbing alcohol can indeed be used to remove fingerprints, but it's not safe for all surfaces. It's best to stick to surfaces like glass, metal, and ceramic, and always test on a small area first. By being cautious and informed, you can effectively use rubbing alcohol for cleaning without risking damage to your belongings. We hope this video has been informative and helpful. Stay tuned for more such interesting discussions.